Hi. So last Sunday I had mentioned about my favorite publisher, and I had also said if you are a person who don't want to spend your money buying books, or if you have any reason not to buy books but still you want your child to read, now we always have the option of e-learning or e-reading. So today I'm going to talk about me personally always prefer real books over online books. I like to turn the page and feel the book, but it is totally up to you. You never know, maybe another 10 or 15 years we wouldn't have any book library, we would only have ebook library, you never know. But still, if you are again a kind of person who is tech savvy and who wants everything online, then there is this amazing app developed by Google, our very own Google. So it was initially called Google Bolo, but later on they have changed the name to Read Along. So the app's name now is Read Along. It is available only in Android. This is like a reading tutor app, wherein the app is basically designed to improve the reading skills of a young child, maybe between the age of 3 and 7 or 3 to 8. Yeah, the stories are ideal for an age group of 3 to 8. So I don't use it as a reading app since my son hasn't started reading yet. I use the app to narrate stories to him, to read out the stories to him because the illustrations are that good. There are stories from almost all around the world. There are a lot of stories, and the best part is the app is free. Yes, so that is about Google Bolo or Read Along. I like Google Bolo better. Either ways, let us see how the app works. Okay. So this is the app, Read Along.
Library.
So these are the stories which I have already read to my son. So they come first. You have the categories here. You have tiny, short, long, very long, and few more categories depending either on the character or the publisher. So let's see. So this, she is your reading tutor. I'll show you how it works. Let's see, Abba's Day. So they basically use the text to speech recognition system to identify what you're speaking and how correct it is. So she will pick it up, and if it is correct, she'll give you stars. If it is not correct, she'll wait for you to read it till it is correct. Let's see. So this is the first page. Abba's name, the story's name, the writer, the illustrator, and the publisher's name. Now as you move to the next page, hi, my name is Aisha.
Well done, you got that.
Today is Sunday, my favorite day. Wake up, Abba says, tickling me.
Good. Okay, mic turned off. I won't be listening to you till you turn it back on.
So if you wanted to be a read along app, you can collect the stars, and that is going to be a reinforcement for your child as and when your child reads. And if your child makes a mistake, she will wait unless and until your child corrects it. But if you already are going to use it as a read aloud app where you are just going to read the story to your child and you want her to go mute, you can always switch this button to red. The mic can go red so that she'll be quiet. That is how the app works, and the story progresses like this. And the tiny details in it. See, the little girl in the story has crutches, and it is about how she spends a Sunday with her Abba. So it is always nice when characters come up with children who are differently abled, because if you have a child who is differently abled, it is so good when the child can see another version of herself as a protagonist in the story. Or if your child is a normal child, and when your child come across another differently abled child, you don't want your child to think from which planet are they coming. You want your child to get use of all such sides around the world. We want an inclusive world for our children, right? So I totally love when they come up with characters like this. Yes.
Great,
So
you read more than your goal today.
So you have a timer
Wow,
there.
look at all those stars you got. Take a photo of yourself to save your stars.
You can create a profile by clicking your picture there. I'll just show the
Didn't
language
keep your
settings.
stars. Take a photo next time to get. Let's read.
You have your
Tap the
language settings
language
here.
You want your children to learn to read.
You have Hindi, Bangla, Urdu, Telugu, Marathi and Tamil along with English, or you can choose English alone. I hope they come up with Malayalam also very soon. So yes, that is about the app. Please
Alright, your children will
download
learn
it
to read in
and
English. Tap this
find
green
out for
button to
yourself how
continue.
amazing it is. It is free and that is the best part of it. Okay?
So happy reading to all of you, and do tell me how you have felt about the app. Bye bye.